Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Hi, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Happy accidents happen, and they can be happy if you are creative. So, for example, you know those Copic markers, or actually any kind of markers, that bleed through your page and then they leave this stain that, you can't really use the whole page anymore? Well, actually, you can. Let's have a look how. Okay, so let's just start drawing anything. My feet, because that's always fun. And now I will use a Copic marker, gray, to add some shadows. I'll put a few layers on the darker bits. And there you go. Let's see what's on the other side of the page now. See, there's quite some stains in there. So you can think, oh, I can't use this page anymore. I just need to, cover it up with some collage or maybe just skip it. But what you also can do is take a good look at those stains and use your imagination. So at first I don't see anything, and if I would even see something, it might actually be the shoes that I just drew on the other side of the page. But if I take a little bit of time, I start seeing something, kind of part of a face. I see a mouth. So I'll just draw that, and from there, I see a nose, and then I can add eyes and use those stripy bits there for lashes. And slowly it builds up to a face. Just add some hair to it, a chin, and let's see what the posture actually is of this figure. I see a bit of a belly there, and I thought the shoulder was going to be there on the left, but I decided it should be lower, so I'll just fill it as a background shape. And there you have it, a surprise in your sketchbook. I had no idea this was going to happen, and it was kind of fun. You just tap into a different side of your brain by using your imagination after doing a drawing that was from observation. It's just the other way around, and it's fun. So I would say grab a marker, I'm sure you have one or two somewhere, and try it. Have fun. I'll see you next week.